All right, guys, here goes a quick demo of the JBL's HDI 1600. Now, quick word about these speakers. They're just amazingly beautiful, very well built, and the sound is just mind-boggling. Beautiful, fills up the room, great sound stage, good bass. I'm not even running the sub with it. And yeah, they're everything they say. JBL's, man, kick butt. By far, kicked those Focals 906 in the butt. And I can tell you right now, I think they even sound better than the CAF LS50 Metas. Yeah, these are really nice. And this is a quick demo. And I tell you, you guys can find these on sale. They're, I think, like $900 each. Right now, they have them like a little bit over 1,000, 1,200. If you can find them on sale, run and get them. You're not going to regret it. These speakers are beautiful. Here we go. Play Ain't No Sunshine When She Gone, Buddy Guy.
Sunshine when she gone, it's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she gone, she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away,
this time where he's gone. Wonder if he's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. This house just ain't no home. Anytime he goes away. I know, 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 I know.
I think I should've leave the young thing alone, 'cause ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away.
Ain't no sunshine.
Anytime she goes away.
Anytime he goes away.
She goes away.
Anytime
She goes away.
All right, guys, there you go. All I can say is wow. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.